Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Tesla Model 3 low-voltage battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate protective gear, like safety glasses and insulated gloves, to prevent any electrical hazards. Ensure your vehicle is completely powered off and securely in park. The low-voltage battery is conveniently located in the front trunk, or frunk, of your Model 3, making it accessible for this maintenance task. Now let's carefully disconnect the old battery. First, gently remove the plastic cover that protects the battery terminals. Using a 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step to prevent short circuits. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten the hold-down bracket that secures the battery in its tray. This bracket typically uses a 13mm nut. Once loose, you can carefully lift out the old 12-volt battery. With the old battery removed, it's time to install your new 12-volt replacement. Carefully lower the new battery into the designated tray in the frunk. Ensure it sits snugly and correctly. Next, reattach the hold-down bracket, tightening the 13mm nut to secure the battery firmly in place. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tight and secure to prevent any power interruptions. You're almost done. Now carefully replace the plastic cover over the battery terminals, ensuring it snaps into place. Close the front trunk. Power on your Tesla Model 3 and observe the vehicle's display. Look for any warning messages or indicators that might suggest an issue. Test various electrical systems such as lights, windows, and the infotainment system to confirm everything is operating normally. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your low-voltage battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.